Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our portal of e-teaching learning process in class 12th mathematics. Dear students, I am extremely happy that you have been accomplishing whatever home assignments been assigned to you, and you have shown keen interest and active participation in this sort of virtual learning process. Dear students, we have started for a couple of days ago that what are the changes essentially made by CBSE during this time of the CBSE curriculum. Now, all have been impressed upon you that questions will be on your understanding, skill, and interrelating with different subjects. However, we have started matrices, learning of matrices, the concept of matrices, different types of matrices, essentially unit matrix, identity matrix, column matrix, row matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, and their properties, and of course the operation on matrices also we have studied. Operations, I mean addition and subtraction of matrices, the condition being they need to be of same order, and then multiplication of matrices. We have studied that uh, if A and B has to be multiplied, both are matrices, then the column of first matrix must be equal to the row of the second matrix, and the product order also we have come to know. So these are all about whatever we have learned earlier classes. And today, as per our assignment, we are on NCERT exercise 3.2. So today's assignment will be from question number 9 to question number 14. So on the screen you can see question number 9 is a very simple question to find x and y. And x and y, they are elements. They are elements, you can find out. So 2 can be multiplied with the matrix and then added, and then you will get two equations, and x and y can be solved. Coming to question number 10, you need to find out the unknown quantities of x, y, z, and t. X, y, z, and t, they are also elements. You can see it is visible, they are elements. And so these two matrices can be, with the scalar multiplication it is given, they can be added and finding, equating with another matrix of same order, then you can find the unknown quantities. Coming to question number 11, this is also very simple question. X is in a sort of scalar quantity, y is also kind of though variable, but x can be multiplied with both 2 and 3, y can be multiplied with both -1 and n, then equating, then you can find x and y. Similar question is also be there in question number 12, given that these are the matrices of order 2 by 2 and finding the unknown quantities x, y, z, and w. So these are the assignments up to question number 9 and 12. Now question number coming to 13. 13 is very interesting question, if you can see on the screen. If f of x is a matrix, cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. To show that f of x into f of y is f of x plus y. See, dear students, let me give some hint to you all on this type of question. F of x is given cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. What will be f of y then? F of y will be certainly cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. The variable has to be substituted. F of x is given, f of y, then x will be replaced by y. After that, you can see the product of f of x and f of y. आपको दो मैट्रिक्स मिल चुका है, उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करना है. When you do this product, matrix multiplication you already know, then you will get certain terms like cos x, cos y, minus sin x, sin y. उसको आपको फिर दोबारा इसमें आना है. ये जो this is the formula identity which we have learnt in class 11th. Let me impress upon you once again. The green colored identity I have written, trigonometric identity functions. Cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. If you come across cos x minus y will be cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, and sin x minus y will be sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So these are the identities probably will come into use to prove that f of x into f of y is f of x plus y, to make it left hand side equal to right hand side. So that is a very important question. I hope you will try. Even if any difficulty, even after your attempt, then I am always there to guide you, to help you. Now coming to the question number, that is 14. Question number 14, you can see these are the simple questions. Matrix multiplications. Left hand side you find, right hand side you find. If they are equal, then you will be writing equal. If they are not equal, you will be writing they are not equal. And similarly, coming to the 14th part 2, question is also matrix multiplication of order 3 cross 3. Then left hand side multiplication you do, and right hand side you do. If in case you get equal, no problem. If you don't getting, then you will prove that they are unequal, the products are unequal. That is what you want to see, you want to show. That is why the matrix multiplication is not always AB equal to BA. Matrix multiplication is not commutative unless under equal matrices. Thank you very much. Happy learning, and hope this assignment also you will be able to do during this time of lockdown period, and you are all doing it. You carry on learning. Learning must continue whatever the condition may be. Hopefully, we will very soon meet one another again, and to materialize the physical and practical way of teaching and learning. But you are learning during this time. This is a very great gesture. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Happy learning.